Hello, hello, hello. I go down so that I'm not be late to wait for Sisi in the school bus. Happy weekends to everybody. Okay, I'm here in the elevator. Hello, nationwide, worldwide, happy weekends to all of us. And now I'm waiting to Sisi. Okay, happy weekends. Hello friend, how are you? Yeah, I'm waiting to Sisi. Nice car siya. Ayan o. Oh. Ridwan, nice car. Nice car. It's very nice car.
iPhone, no?
No, this one is madam. Yeah, iPhone mean madam. Ada pur min syugol. Pur the syugol min rakam. Rakam telepon. Okay, look what happened here. Ay. Min. Madam, lapa work.
Hasta easy?
Work pa ya.
Hasta easy?
Baad suway mungkin baad suway. Mungkin baad suway. The Amjad, and she is the, what's that? He is our friend. He is the cleaner here in our building. So anytime if we are asking a favor or like that one, we just call. So I forgot his name. So I don't know, I forgot. Madam answer. They knows the name of that housekeeper. House cleaner. What I mean, house cleaner. Okay, no, not yet. I think, I don't know if she's wearing the yellow school bus or the another bus. Okay, and just now I make video pa because I'm busy yesterday, medyo full time sa work, and now also I'm not yet finished to fix my laundry because I'm waiting to Celine. And this one is no, it's not. It's the another bus. I think this one is the another bus. Yeah, it's the another bus. Okay. Maybe they're wearing the yellow bus. So once again, thank you very much that you support my YouTube channel and the YouTube company and the social media. And thank you for your patience, your kindness, to spend time to watch my individual videos. And then ayun yata yung yellow, yung school bus. I don't know, sometimes yellow, sometimes like this one, light blue, light green. Yun yata yun. Ayun yata yung school bus ni Sisi. Yellow na naman. Okay, and I wish that you subscribe me also if you are watching of my YouTube channel. It's just a gift of this Christmas. It's like that. Ay nako, sometimes I'm asking favor. Si Sir, ayan, nagkuha na. Yun pala yun sa kay Sir. Okay, this one, the red car, oh nice. I don't know, maybe that one is Jeep. And the another one also the gray. So very nice. Oh, nice car, very nice car. Okay. So once again, thank you. I go there while I'm walking. Ay, sorry. Not yet pa. The yellow is there. So I'm just waiting. This one is the another. It's the same uniform, but I think it's grade 1, like this one grade 2, I don't know. Or grade 3, or the one that they are good. That one. Or the big. It's the same, and it's the same. What's that? Because the CC is KG1 and KG2. Okay, but sometimes they are wearing this. Or you are using this car, a school bus, this car. This is school bus, what I mean. Like this one also sometimes. Like in my another video. In my previous videos, okay. So, and the another one also is yellow. Yeah. Ayun, nag-wait pa. Maybe later si Sisi mag-cry na naman din yun kasi wala yung mama niya. Ay naku. Hello! Bye-bye! Si Tisoy. Ayun na yun. Bye-bye na yung mga big na sila mo. Maybe grade 2 or grade 3 maybe what that means. So once again, thank you for watching. Thank you to subscribe me, and thank you for everything that you everything, your effort. Make pronounce good, I can't na talaga. To watch my simple video, that's what I mean. Thank you again, Obisima. Yun yung Lindon. Same as usual pa rin, ganun pa rin. Kaso nga lang kasi, now is Thursday. Afternoon, it's weekends already, so I try to make naman another video, the new one, because I have the old videos that I download is all about we go in the zoo. It's past this. It's Wednesday, I think it's Wednesday, so I didn't get finished to download to share with you that is the Baghdad Zoo here in Iraq, in the part of Iraq. Ayun na yun, yung school bus ni Sisi, the yellow one, if I'm not mistaken, maybe, inshallah. Sabay pang ganun, inshallah. Okay lang. This one, checks. Not yet, peaceful. Good afternoon, sir. You are here pala. I'm talking of my videos. Ang ganda naman ng ano niya. Bisikleta. Okay. Ayan na yung school bus ni Sisi. They're wearing the yellow bus. And now maybe she is crying because his mother is not yet come. Oh. And maybe she's expected her mama to go down, but not yet. I need to go. Weekends. It's already weekends. Merry Christmas pala. Merry Christmas in advance. No, it's December already, so it means to say it's Christmas na. But it's not yet Christmas 25. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. And Happy New Year, yeah. Welcome. The video naman, the school bus is coming. Hello, Amo. Oy. Oy, no need to angry. Nag-work pa si Mami. She's crying, Mami. She wants Mami. Nag-work pa kasi si Mama. Thank you, Miss. Sheila, bye-bye. Mali, Sheila, tali na guli na bye-bye. No need to cry na.